over to my first keynote speaker, Abu Shadab.
Thank you so much, Saiba. Thank you so much for that energy. I feel so excited and happy. As Saiba has already mentioned, my name is Abu Shadab. Um, I have been working closely for 14 years, have been training for 10 years, and I've got a quick presentation as to why YouTube and everything is important. It's very important to understand the law of golden circle. The law of golden circle says that if you really want to do something, your why is important. The stronger the why, the stronger your reasons to continue things. So why YouTube is the question that I'm going to answer. I'm going to talk about three important things. First and foremost, I'm going to talk about my journey. I'm going to talk about why YouTube. And I'm going to talk about if you want to start your YouTube channel and if you're confused, what are 7 topics that you can go by and start your channel. So first and foremost, my story. I started my YouTube channel in the year 2015. And the next video, the first video that I made was in 2015. And the second video that I happened to make was in the year 2020. My question to all of you is, why was there a gap of 5 years?
You didn't pay attention?
I did not pay attention. Thank you so much, Haritosh.
Not
Maybe if you want to
motivated.
give it a shot.
Not motivated because it wasn't showing the response you were expecting. So it's like, let's not do it, just bunk it.
Thank you so much. Not getting the response is a very respectful terminology to use. I remember making my video and going back to work, and my manager, he looked at me and he told me, come here, Abu. I saw something. I did not know. Was that what CCTV footage or was that a video? He was laughing like crazy. He called everyone, come, see this CCTV footage. I had made a video on US culture and everybody laughed out loud. Even I laughed out loud, but and then I did not have the courage because then he told me it's a CCTV footage and they asked me more about my video. I told them it's an educational video and they told me if this is the education, I'm sure no student will ever pass. This was quite demotivating. And I just dropped the entire idea of YouTube. But they say that there is something that you want to do. Until the time you don't do it, you have this pinch. You can always feel that pinch. I have this motivational quote in my room that says that there are certain things that your heart wants it. Until the time you don't do it, it will keep you reminding of it. So although there were a lot of other things that I did, but this was something that I just could not take it. I'm ready to fail, but I'm not ready not to try. So I wanted to give another shot. So the year was 2020, and it could not have been better than this year because, we understand that coronavirus, as you say, it did not destroy the system, it exposed the system. And every coin has two sides. It worked very good for me because then I got an opportunity to start with my YouTube. In a matter of 3 months, from one video, today I've got 15 videos. Now with 15 videos, I'm very happy because now I don't want to discontinue. I'm really enjoying it. I also realize that if you want to keep something as your passion, money is a very important thing. If you start making money out of something, the motivation to continue will grow. So currently I have like 175 subscribers. I'm looking forward to go to 10,000K, subscribers, because that's the time wherein YouTube actually starts acknowledging you. And from a video perspective, before I actually think about video thing, I have to go ahead and I have to make 35 more videos. Only then I can deserve something. So that's my story as to why I started my YouTube channel. I started my YouTube channel also because I'm a trainer. I love to train things. So when one of the ideas was I would love to go ahead and do a lot of educational videos, which I did not. And then I suppose the year was 2017 when I first saw LinkedIn Learning. And I saw people delivering training. And then I realized, oh God, this was my idea. I read this book from Elizabeth Gilbert. I'm sure everybody knows about this book by the name of Big Magic. Eat, Pray, and Love is a very famous book. The second book is Big Magic. And in that particular book, she beautifully says that when you have an idea, and I want all of you to listen to this very carefully. If you have an idea that is not idea comes to you. It will knock your doors. But if you are stubborn, you need to understand idea will not wait for you. That idea will go to somebody else. I am dependent on that idea. My idea is not dependent. I can't even call it my idea. Idea is not dependent on anyone. So if I don't do it, somebody else will do it. And whoever does it will steal the show. If somebody has to do it, let me do it. So that was my entire reason why I wanted to do it. Now, people, when we talk about YouTube, everybody knows everything about YouTube. You know, YouTube is an open secret, but there are certain things which will help you to strengthen your why. Why you should be concerned about YouTube as a platform. Let me ask you guys a question. Which is the most used search browser in the world? Which is the
Google
most
Chrome.
used search browser?
Google Chrome.
Yes, Google Chrome. Thank you. Which is the second most used browser?
YouTube.
Thank you so much. Now, this is the second most used browser, people. 1 billion hours of YouTube content is watched every day. 1 billion hours. YouTube attracts about 44% of all internet users. More than 70% of what people watch on YouTube is determined by its recommendation and algorithm. Now, another point that I wanted to bring in front of everyone is, we all have our comfort zone. My comfort zone is to talk. I love to talk. I love to go ahead, be the MOC and all those things. What I definitely did not enjoy was technical aspects. But then I realized you become the best version of yourself when you are ready to step out of your comfort zone. Looking for analytics, looking for algorithm is really not my cup of tea. And I realized while I was reading one of the books is that's a self-imposed belief that I had done, that I'm not good with algorithms. We all are good with everything. And I'm sure it just requires a little bit of change of mindset. So one of the reasons why I wanted to go to YouTube is come out of my comfort zone. Come and study and learn something new that is analytics. How many of you guys are interested in analytics? I'm sure Haritosh cannot live without this. Now, for all the people who love romance, I've got good news for you. There's something very common between 14th February and YouTube. Do you know what is that?
YouTube started on 14th February.
Thank you so much. Absolutely correct. So you might forget YouTube. You might never forget Valentine's Day. So let Valentine's Day be a reminder that you have to upload a video on YouTube. Okay. Now these are the things which these are considered to be fun facts. But I'm here to talk about something which is very important. That is money. How many of you love money? Who doesn't is the question. Now people, they say that we all want to be happy, right? Happiness is something that we all want to. And they say that if you want to be happy, there are 6 important things that you have to do. I will not say the first one. You have to tell me the first one. Let me help you with the remaining 5. If you want to be happy at all times, you need to be physically healthy. You have to be mentally strong. You have to be spiritually healthy. You have to have a good environment. You have to have your friends and family. I did not tell you the most important criteria. Do you know what is the most important criteria? Something that dominates the chart?
Purpose.
Money. They say that if you have an income, a regular source of income, 90% of your problem is sorted. If you do not have a source of income, a regular source of income, all this health, mental health, spirituality, you don't care about anything. So let's talk about money here. Okay. Now people, you will be, I'm sure you guys know that YouTube was bought by Google in the year 2006 only for $1.65 billion. That was the amount, okay. Annual cost to run YouTube is $6.35 billion. But they say, no matter how much it costs, till the time you are able to go ahead and get that turnover, everything is profit. The turnover of YouTube, the YouTube revenue comes to $15.5 billion. That's the revenue for 2019, which all of you can understand that this is the amount what YouTube makes. You will be glad to hear that revenue from YouTube has come to $4.7 billion. So this is what I want to talk to all of you. There are 2 main sources. I am also invested, like Taiba, even I do a lot of book reviews. A very simple funda of doing book review is, what happens is when you do a book review, you can always connect with the author. And when you connect with the author, you have an agreement wherein you have that Amazon link pasted on here, and description link to buy that particular book, you get a certain amount of commission. Now, people, that kind of a money is called passive income. Now, in today's time, when you talk about a typical middle class, one major challenge, and this comes from the book Rich Dad Poor Dad. For somebody who is a poor person, our mentality is, if I have to earn money, I have to be physically present. A major challenge with being physically present and earning money is because if I'm not working, which means I'm not earning as well. Let me give you a simple example. If you have to go for a vacation, if you really want to see you are rich or poor, very simple. Go for a vacation and you decide for how many days you can continue with your vacation without working. For a middle class person like me, if I go for a vacation for a month's time and then I come back, do you know what is the conversation that we have in our family once we come back from our vacation? Anybody wants to try? After you come back from a 1 month vacation, what is the conversation that happens?
Where you paid for this?
Where you paid? Now, अब से लेके month year के end तक no more vacation. हो गया पूरा. Have you ever got in such kind of a conversation where they said, इस साल का खत्म vacation. अब इसके बाद से कोई vacation नहीं है. We are sorted. But if you are a rich person and if you are somebody who earns money via YouTube, when you are out for a vacation, you continue to build your money. So your physical presence is not necessary. How does that sound to all of you? And that is called true financial independence. And that's what we should all strive for, which is called financial independence. A major setback that has come to this world is because if you talk only about India, the employment rate has gone up to 42.4%. And one major reason why unemployment has gone so high is because our only source of income is when we do a particular job. So, Khuda na khasta, if anything happens to our job, we are all shattered. But when you have side hustles and when you have these kind of passive revenue coming into your bank account, it's always a great thing. Now, let me tell you something which is very important. I'm sure you guys would like to hear that YouTube influencers with 500 to 5K followers charge an average of $315 per video. YouTube video influencer 500K plus follower charge on an average $3,857 per video. How does that sound to all of you? Okay, so these are few YouTube financials. So at any point in time, you feel that you don't want to make a YouTube video, look at these financials, your motivation to come will come. I always say, being a motivational trainer as well, I say something to everyone. There are three biggest motivators in life, and you can never have bigger motivators than this. The first one is a broken heart. The second one is an empty stomach. And the third one is a hungry stomach and empty pocket. These are the three biggest motivations. You know, nothing can motivate you more than these three things. Okay. Now let's look at other areas when it comes to YouTube. There are certain things which I'm sure you all will love to hear. Is that the best part in today's time? I'm sure this is a growing trend. Wherein even for interviews. So I do a lot of freelancing as well. These days, people don't even ask for your resume. Do you know what is it that people ask for?
Number of followers and fans that you have on your social media.
One is number of followers. Yes, Taiba, you are correct. They ask you, can you share a video of yours? So again, we can see the Zoom medium has gone ahead and taken video platform to a different level altogether. And when it comes to YouTube, it's all video. Okay, I would strongly recommend all of you to please have a video wherein you go ahead and you talk about what you do for a living, and it's a new resume format that is there. Nobody cares. Nobody wants to, although we always harp about how important it is to read, but people still prefer video over reading. Okay. The next thing that is very important in today's time is people making a brand. It's very important that in today's time, it's not Haritosh Srivastava, it's Haritosh the brand. When you are there on YouTube, when you are there in social media, it is not Haritosh, it is a brand Haritosh. And if you work towards your channel, like, if you talk about any big company, it's just a name that makes such a lot of difference. So we all should work towards, YouTube will give us an opportunity to create our own brand and take it globally. Last but not the least, people, it is very important that people, they say that, okay, don't tell me, show me. Everybody wants to know, okay? So if you get a phone, right, and if you want to go ahead and if there is a feature that you don't know, what you would do is, you would, rather than going through that instruction, you would say, let me go on YouTube and let me search how to use it. So it is, don't tell me, show me. And when it comes to YouTube as a platform, we get an opportunity to show what we actually know. Now this is super duper awesome. Initially I never bought this fact that Haritosh currently is in UK. Now Haritosh is in UK, I am in India, and let's look at the conversation. Taida is from Himachal. Now we all, guys, look at the kind of audience base it has given us. We are no longer restricted to our own locality or our own country, and this is what we were born for. We were born to go global. So in today's time, when it comes to your audience reach, the population of the world is 7.2 billion. I'm sure there is a customer who is waiting. There is, out of these 7.2 billion, don't you think there are certain amount of million people who are waiting for your videos? I'm sure there are. Maninder, do you think there are certain millions? I'm sure they are waiting for your videos.
I really do understand. I do believe, yeah, they must be.
Correct. Our country is sufficient, Our country's population is 1.2 billion. If we do a good job in India, even if we do I'm not even talking about a great job. Even if we are able to do an above average job in India, the kind of viewership that you will get you sorted. Okay, that's the kind of audience base. There is someone. The most important thing that we need to understand is, people, it's not only about customers. If people like your work, if they do not give you business, they will always recommend you. And that is called word of mouth. That till date is one of the best marketing strategies. That is word of mouth. Okay. And the other thing, I'm sure you guys know that if you have to make a YouTube video, your cost of YouTube video, it's minimum. It's minimum. You cannot have, you cannot never have. While I was growing up, it was always told to me, and this is something that I was grown up with, that if you want to start something of your own, there needs to be a major investment. You cannot start anything without a major investment. Let's talk about YouTube. What is the kind of investment you need? A phone, and that is something by default, a mic, and free apps. What else do you need? And I'm talking about with these, an expenditure that is less than 20,000 can give you so much of results. Another very important thing that we need to understand is, people, in which I'm sure you guys know, the rise of mobile phone. The rise of mobile phone has made this YouTube awesome, has ensured that even when it comes to rural areas, there might not be available of digital payments. Even if you go to rurals of India, they might not be aware of digital payments, but they are always aware of YouTube. Okay, so my question to all of you is, people, I want to encourage all of you to go ahead and make that particular video. Again, when we are looking forward to make that particular video, if we are not making that video, and again, patience is a key. Patience is a virtue that we all need to believe in. There are some, there are some technically, there are certain videos which I've always given a priority, but I feel today we are here to change the game. The way you conduct, the way you put across your video, if you are good at it, you will always be a trendsetter. Okay. However, let me tell you what are certain things which are in trend. If you want to go with super hit formulas or best practices, if you want people to be glued, once again, you have to talk about money. Look how you guys are listening to me. So So if your video talks about money and how to make money or finance, people love it. Finance, that's one of the areas which gets a lot of viewership. The second one is English or education. If you can help people with English communication, and if you can help them to upgrade their English communication, it will help you. The third thing that people love is prank videos. People love just for laugh. I love LOL. They're just amazing. And last but not the least, animal video. Cat videos are very popular. So these are four major video types. However, I personally believe that you should not, there's something called following the trend, and there's something called becoming a trailblazer and a trendsetter. If these are good, if these are your interests, good. But people, if you have something on your own, that is you, that speaks to you, so please go for it. Be the next trendsetter. I would like to share something which really hit me hard, and that was the reason, and that's how I started making my second video. Is there was this person, and he posted something on LinkedIn which said that I wanted to make a video in the year 2016, but I was not happy with my thumbnail. So I started working on my thumbnail. In the year 2017, I wanted to go ahead and upload my video, but I was not happy with my content. So I did not upload the video. In the year 2019, I was happy with everything, but I was not happy with the lighting. So I did not do anything. Guys, the year is 2020. I'm still writing this particular email. I've still not made a video. So don't be like me. Be like you. Go and make a video. We are learning, people. Whether you like it or you don't like it, books will teach you a lot, but life will always teach you more. You will always become better. Let's be okay. It's time to be vulnerable. Guys, I have a very common question, and this is something that I ask everyone. Okay, let me ask you. Manvinder, what is the opposite of success?
Say it again. Answer it again.
What is the opposite? What is the opposite of success?
Opposite of
Success.
success. I believe not trying.
Not trying. Thank you so much. Manvinder, you are excellent people. Some people, generally, the kind of thing which has got into our head is the opposite of success is failure. This is a major roadblock that we have. You can only be considered as a failure when you do not write. Till the time you are working on your second video, your third video, your fourth video, nobody can call you a failure. And what are we so scared of? Why is it that we only want praises? You should be okay with a lot of dislikes as well. And above all, you should have the courage to wear your failure as a badge of honor. The moment you can wear your failure as a badge of honor, nobody can stop you. Another thing is people, जो भी चीज अच्छा होता है उसमें वक्त लगता है. Sabr is a very important thing, people. It's not that कि अब आपने रात में बताया. Do not get overwhelmed when you make a YouTube video. There's something called, I was listening to this guy, his name is Aditya Gautam, he's an Indian based out of Australia, and he says there's something called content consumption and content creation. एक बार आपने वीडियो डाल दिया, that's it. Now take a chill pill, आराम से पीछे बैठो, rest मारो. You don't have to go every time and check कि कितने views आए, कितने comments आए, वो आ जाएगा. You don't have to get overwhelmed. Otherwise, if you start living in your past, you can never make a future video. एक बार आपने वीडियो बना लिया. Let's move to my second video. And please have the courage to tell to people only like if you feel my content is relevant. Otherwise, free का मुझे like नहीं चाहिए, subscribe नहीं चाहिए. Let's have the courage. Okay, किसी का like नहीं चाहिए, अच्छा content दूंगा. I am going to be a YouTube influencer only because my work will talk for me, not because I want somebody's empathy and sympathy. Would you agree to that, people? And the best part in today's time is, people, if you up your game, if you become better, the entire world will appreciate you. Okay? And people, the best time to do anything is when is the best time to do anything? Now. So now is the time to make the best video. With that, I have the green color. I'm really curious if you have any questions that I can take care of. Would you have any questions, people?
I have one question, Abu.
Yes, Saiba, please tell me.
My question is, let's suppose somebody has signed up for making videos continuously, and sometimes when he gets demotivated because he's not getting the kind of attention or the kind of things that he wants, expect from his audience, then how does he overcome that block of fear, that how will I do good in my upcoming videos?
Thank you so much, Saiba. That's a very valid. You have asked a very human question. Having said that, people, वीडियो बनाना आसान काम नहीं है. एडिटिंग में बहुत टाइम लगता है. And there are so many things on your platter. ऐसा भी नहीं है कि हम सब वेले हैं. We have got our regular jobs. For most of us, we have our regular jobs. We have our personal commitments. We have got our relationships. And on top of that, जो सैटरडे संडे जो मुझे पहले मिलता था खुद के लिए, I'm investing. तो एक्सपेक्टेशन तो रहता ही है. Okay. थोड़ा सा philosophical answer है. But I'm sure it works every time when I say it. Something which is very important is, एक होता है, there is something called timeline. हर चीज के लिए एक वक्त होता है. There are small gains. So this was told to me by one of my friends. He said that there's something called bamboo. Bamboo का अगर आप लगाते हो, if you have bamboo or any other crop, if you actually go ahead and throw a bamboo, do you know how many years it takes for the bamboo to actually rise and shoot up? As compared to others, उसको कितना साल लगता होगा bamboo को? Anybody is aware of it?
5 years.
Thank you so much, Haritosh. It takes 5 years, guys. आप होप छोड़ दोगे, but when you don't give up, जब आप जिद्दी होते हो ना, this world bows to those people who are stubborn and जिद्दी. उसको 5 साल लगता है to show what first improvement. मगर एक बार जब वो bamboo निकलना start होता है ना, guys, at a span of another 3 to 6 months, it goes 20 feet. How does that sound to you? So whenever you get demotivated, always think that there है पर अंधेर नहीं है. Okay. Any other question that you might have?
Hi Abu, this is Sujita. Actually, I have one question regarding editing. Like I was making some videos in during like March, April, and June, but during those time I was spending so much of time, and my health was declining in a rapid rate. So I stopped doing that because it took me almost 5 to 6 hours in editing and recording voice and then merging with it, and then confirming that yes, I'm able to post it. And another thing was like recording the video was also a very tedious task. So while working I was like rarely getting chance to take care of my health, and I used to wake up till 5 a.m. in the morning, and then I was not able to take rest. So it declined my health a lot, and due to that I got demotivated, and nowadays it's been more than 4 months that I haven't posted any video yet. But there is one reason that yes, I'm also looking forward to create a very nice content, first thing, and second thing that I don't want to compromise my health anymore. So can you suggest something for that how can I overcome these issues?
So, Punyata, first and foremost, I wish you all the best, dear. I'm sure you will rise and shine. Guys, सबसे जरूरी देखो, आपका अगर 3 चीज सही नहीं है ना, आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो. So the first priority will always be these 2. You have to take care of your physical health. जान है तो जान है. सबसे पहला, you have to take care of your physical health. The second is your mental health. When I talk about your physical health, इसके 3 चीज होते हैं. The food that you eat, number of hours that you sleep, and the third one is the exercise that you do. The second one is mental health. Mental health के लिए आपका meditation बहुत जरूरी है. And thirdly is your spiritual health. Spiritual health का मतलब होता है to count the number of blessings. So ये आपको करना बहुत जरूरी है. The second thing is people, बहुत जरूरी है कि it's very important to understand man-made technology did not make man. It's very important to realize कि आपको अपने पैशन पे काबू होना चाहिए. You need to keep a clock and you need to tell yourself, चाहे कुछ भी हो, मैं YouTube को 1 घंटा दूंगी या मैं YouTube को 2 घंटा दूंगी, and irrespective वो कहीं पे भी है, I will not overshoot the time. अगर आपको लंबे समय तक कुछ भी करना है तो आपको थोड़ा थोड़ा करना होगा, रोज करना होगा. So first and foremost, please make a time schedule and please tell yourself that I will not exceed this hour or 2 hours. The third thing is there's always an easy way to do things. आप जिस चीज में भी struggle कर रहे हो, you need to understand आज के डेट में if you have an idea, guys, you will be surprised, वो idea किसी और को आ चुका हुआ है. Why do you have to reinvent the wheel? अगर किसी ने वो किया है, जैसे this India Video Summit, you will come across a lot of people who are doing excellent. Manvinder being one, Haritosh being one, Pariniti being one, Taiba being one. You have already done something or the other. You need to get into the network and reach out to people for help. Manvinder, can you please help me with this? You will be surprised. वो आपको बता देगा जो आपका 1 घंटे का काम वो 5 मिनट में हो जाएगा. I hope I have answered your question, Punyata.
Yeah. It's Sujita actually. Thank you.
Sunita, my apologies. My apologies.
It's okay.
Sunita.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Any other question that you might have, people?
Sorry, Abu, but I have one more question. Like
Please,
regarding
please.
regarding the copyright thing, like sometimes it happens that I have some idea, like in my channel I used to create some cards also, like I used to shoot video for making cards. So it happened that some of the designs are already there on the YouTube. So I was scared of being like there could be a copyright issue. And also, can you explain regarding that, what is the basic concept about copyright? And one more example is, like, I have seen someone like pasting clips of some famous series like GOT or Friends or something. So how the copyright thing works, I just want to know about it, if you can brief me.
Thank you. So Sunita, सबसे पहले when it comes to copyright, anything that is not yours, उसमें copyright लग सकता है. So when you come up with your original videos, उसमें कोई copyright नहीं लगेगा. The second thing is, आप Google में हमेशा जाके check कर सकते हो copyright policy. Okay. The third thing is, people, we have actually got experts who are going to answer this question. So Parinita and Manvinder, who is going to come, later, they are the experts in that. अब सबसे पहले तो my only thing will be, अगर कोई भी चीज होता है, जैसे when it comes to Friends या कोई भी अगर आप movies डाल दे हो, that is not your own thing. So उसमें copyright जरूर लगेगा.
No, like if I am creating something and there is a part of it, like I'm creating a card, and in that there is one design which way back I have learned, and now I feel like, okay, I can put this this design at this place. So is there any chance of getting copyright issue and all? So that's
Yes,
what I'm
absolutely. Absolutely. What I will do is, if it is okay with you, can I connect with you after this? And when it comes to that particular design, I'm going to show you a way जिससे आपको ये पता चल जाएगा कि how to come to know whether it's a copyright thing or not. There are a lot of things which are free of cost which you can use, but there are a lot of things जिसमें copyright लगा हुआ है. तो मेरा जो है link मैं आपसे वो share कर दूंगा, and I'm sure that will help you a lot.
Yeah, thank you so much, Abu, and I'll connect with you after this meeting. Thank you.
Sure. Great.
Thanks, Abu. Just to interject, not to say, Abu, we will share these details with others also who joined today. And also we will have in next episode 2 and 3, we will go a little bit deep on how can you edit your videos, how can you make your videos more trending, and how can you use cards and other things. So we will have, and we have that planned out as well for our episode 2 and 3 as well. There is a question in, no problem. There is a question in chat from Manvinder. What is a better option to choose, trending or niche?
Manvinder, ये आंसर मैं दिल से दूंगा, niche. Nothing trending. You create your own trend. I don't believe, मतलब अगर वो trend बना है तो किसी की वजह से बना हुआ है. अगर बंदा वही करते रहे तो फिर वही, we will only jump into bandwagon. The time is right. The time is now. Try something crazy, because आज के डेट में crazy is normal is boring. And I'm sure we all are crazy people here. ऐसे संडे को कोई नहीं मुलाकात करता है ऐसे. I hope that answers your question, Manvinder.
It does to perfection.
Thank you so much, Manvinder. Great people, I would like to summarize, quickly share a very famous Urdu poetry, and that's how I would like to end my particular session. It says, and it's beautiful. I hope everybody understands Urdu here, little bit of Urdu. Do I have somebody? Okay. So it says, कुछ लोग तुम्हें समझाएंगे वो तुमको खौफ दिलाएंगे. कुछ लोग तुम्हें समझाएंगे वो तुमको खौफ दिलाएंगे. जो है वो भी खो सकता है. इस राह में रैजन है इतने. रैजन आर हाईवे रॉबर्स. ब्यूटीफुल लिरिक्स. कुछ लोग तुम्हें समझाएंगे वो तुमको खौफ दिलाएंगे. जो है वो भी खो सकता है. इस राह में रैजन है इतने. पर तुम जिस लम्हे में जिंदा हो, मनविंदर, पर तुम जिस लम्हे में जिंदा हो, ये लम्हा तुमसे जिंदा है. पर तुम जिस लम्हे में जिंदा हो, ये लम्हा तुमसे जिंदा है. ये वक्त नहीं आएगा घूमकर. तुम अपनी करनी कर गुजरो. जो होगा वो देखा जाएगा. So in the end, people, let's go ahead, let's follow our heart. People will tell you, there'll be a lot of naysayers. मगर अगर कुछ करना है, जिद्दी होना है, पागल बनना है, और करना है, ढंग से करना है, सीख के करना है, और करना है by attending Indian Video Summit every time. Okay, that will be all from my end. I would like to hand it over to the MOC, that's Taiba Mahmood. Thank you so much for your time and love, people.